Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will tell you how to make chickpea and rice pulao. So let's start. First of all we will take 2 tomatoes and 2 onion. After that we will take 1 by 4 kg chickpeas and 1 kg rice, and after that we will cut all the things and put the onion in 1 cup oil, and let's start making the rice. Now put the pot on the flame and make sure that flame is under the pot. Here we will start making brown to our onion, and here is the process of browning the onion. And after that our onion become of this color, then we will add tomatoes in it, and here we will also add some water to soften the tomatoes, and here we will add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 by 4 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 by 2 teaspoon of chilies. It will give taste to our rice. Mix it well like that. And now we are adding chickpeas in our recipe. And in this recipe we are adding 1 by 4 kg chickpeas to make this pulao. Mix it well, and you can see that it's looking so beautiful. It's giving a very perfect and beautiful look to our pulao. And after that, now here we will add 2 kg water like that. And here you can watch easily that how much beautiful color appear on our dish. And after that we will add 1 kg rice in our recipe, and now here mix it well. And after that now we will add biryani masala. Here we will take 2 teaspoons of biryani masala in our pulao. And if your pot is thin, then you should have to lower your flame, otherwise the flame will be equal to the flame that I am telling you. And after that cover it and put your pot on this flame. After that take some chilies and cut all the chilies in this way to put it in your recipe. And here the time after 11 minutes. Now we will add our chilies in this one recipe, and again cover our pot, and it is after the 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes put your flame down, and after fixed 10 minutes our rice are ready. You can watch on your screen, they are looking very beautiful and delicious. Here is the final look. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.